Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pixel Panic token. Ticker symbol is Pixel. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Pixel Panic token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Pixel Panic token. Name of the token is Pixel Panic. Ticker symbol or token symbol is Pixel. Total supply is 1 billion tokens. This is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. It says, where pixels dance, creativity takes a chance. So Pixel Panic is an innovative project that redefines the gaming experience by seamlessly blending the nostalgic charm of pixel art with cutting-edge gameplay mechanics and blockchain integration. So this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, December 28th at 12:30 UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Pixel, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So like I said, there is 1 billion tokens, a max total supply, 18 decimal places on this token. And according to their BSC scan, right now they have 1,897 holders. And they have a Telegram that you could join at Pixel Panic IO, and that has almost 8,000 Telegram members. Right now there's 7,793 members and 256 of them online. So that's a great place to join the conversation and learn about this project. Now, they have a webpage, pixelpanic.io, that has all sorts of links on there to socials and stuff like that. So, it looks like they had a pre-sale, so that's probably where a lot of their holders came from. Their pre-sale is ended, and then now they are listed on Mexc. So, you could have got this token off of their webpage. That's where it looks like the pre-sale was, where you could connect your wallet and all that type of stuff. Now, what is Pixel Panic? Well, it says captivating pixel art. Immerse yourself in a world where every pixel is a work of art. Pixel Panic showcases captivating pixel artistry, bringing characters, environments, and animations to life in a visually striking and emotional manner. Now, there's innovative gameplay mechanics. Experience a fresh and engaging gaming journey with innovative gameplay mechanics, from dynamic controls to interactive level designs and puzzle elements. Pixel Panic challenges traditional norms to provide a unique and enjoyable gaming experience. There's dynamic storytelling through pixels. Every pixel contributes to the narrative in Pixel Panic. The game employs pixel art as a storytelling medium, weaving dynamic and emotionally resonant narratives that evolve based on player choices and actions. There's multiplayer modes, so engage with friends in the community through multiplayer modes, whether collaboratively, overcoming challenges, or competing in dynamic gameplay. Pixel Panic fosters a sense of community and camaraderie. There's community-driven interactivity. Be an active part of Pixel Panic's community, engage in collaborative events, share your creations, and contribute to the evolving narrative of the game. The project aims to create a vibrant and supportive community of players and pixel art enthusiasts. It's got intuitive controls, so enjoy seamless gameplay. With intuitive controls, Pixel Panic adopts a different play style, offering a user-friendly experience whether you prefer a keyboard or a mouse, game controller, or a touchscreen. So why would you get Pixel Panic? Well, it's got immersive pixel art experience. Dive into any world where every pixel is a masterpiece. They offer a visually stunning and emotionally resonant gaming experience that celebrates the artistry of pixel aesthetics. Innovative gameplay mechanics, so experience gaming like never before. With dynamic controls, interactive level designs, and puzzle elements, Pixel Panic introduces innovative gameplay mechanics that challenge conventions and keep you engaged. Own your in-game world with NFTs. Discover true ownership with blockchain integration. Pixel Panic pioneers the use of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, allowing you to truly own, trade, and showcase exclusive in-game assets on the blockchain. It's got dynamic storytelling through pixels. Be part of a narrative where every pixel tells a story. Your choices and actions shape the unfolding storyline, creating a dynamic and personalized gaming adventure. So it's a BEP20 token. 50% of the tokens go to public sale. We have 20% going to development, 15% going to liquidity, 5% partnerships, 5% airdrop, and 5% marketing. Pixel Panic is not just a game, it's an innovative project that redefines the gaming experience by seamlessly blending nostalgic charm of pixel art with the cutting-edge gameplay mechanics and blockchain integration. At the heart of Pixel Panic is the vision to elevate pixel art to new heights, celebrating the creativity and artistry of pixel artists worldwide. The project draws inspiration from the rich history of pixel art and gaming and aims to create a vibrant community of collaborative players and pixel art enthusiasts. Pixel Panic pioneers the integration of blockchain tech through non-fungible tokens. Players can truly own, trade, and showcase exclusive in-game assets as NFTs, introducing a new layer of ownership and rarity to the gaming experience. Now, there is a roadmap that you can check out on their webpage. There is a how to buy section in case you want to get this token off of a decentralized exchange. But if you want to get this token off Mexc Global, it just got listed on there today. Brand new listing. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.